What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to automatically stop seeding your torrent after the download is complete using uTorrent. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. While using uTorrent, navigate to Options and select Preferences. Here, in the queuing section, make sure to set the maximum number of active torrents to 1. This will limit your downloads and uploaded data to only one torrent at a time. Below, in your seeding goal settings, set the minimum seeding time to 0, as well as the minimum number of available seeds. Lastly, set the Limit the upload rate to option to 1. After applying your changes, uTorrent will automatically stop seeding torrents after the download is complete. You can also reduce your overall upload rate while downloading. To do so, navigate to your bandwidth preferences and set your maximum upload rate to 1 to lower it to a minimum. Though, you will not be helping others by leeching torrents. If you have some bandwidth to spare, then set it to around 100 kilobytes before closing your preferences. In case you have any further issues or problems following this tutorial, then I suggest following my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.